Good afternoon. Dean here with A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. So, the time has finally come and the inspector has passed. And great news, we are now approved. So we've got the septic tank there, and down below we have our septic field. Everything has passed without any hitches. Now comes the process of backfilling. Since the tank won't be used probably this year because of the late fall, sorry, not fall yet, but getting there, what I'll probably do is fill half, backfill half, and leave half water. That way, if it freezes, there's no problems with the tank. And on another note, our slab is doing real good. Everything seems very level, and I'm in the process now of doing what they call backfill. Let me walk the 76 feet here. Somebody said there's a big slab. Anyways, I'm in the process of backfilling here. You'll notice that there's still a couple trees left over there, but nothing major. I hauled out about 6 cord of wood. So, and I also, on the pour of the foundation, they had some extra cement, and what I've done is I've framed up 2 6x6, and the excess of the cement I'm using one as a pad for the outside boiler, which I'm going to build, and the second one down by the trailer, the camp, is going to be for an entryway so that we're not always walking in the mud. But I'm very happy. It's coming along. It's hard work. Maybe I should shave. Everything's looking good. Have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to add a comment to this post, I'm welcome to it. And if I can answer you in the process, I will do so. Have a great day.